Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We are studying chapter number 19 of biology. Today topic is phases of growth. Growth of multicellular plant is divided into four phases: cell division, elongation, maturation, and differentiation. During cell division, the number of cells increases by mitosis. It occurs at the tip of the root and shoots, where cells are small and have spherical nuclei laying in the center of the cytoplasm, which is non-vacuolated. As a result of cell division, each daughter cell proceeds to enlarge. Synthesis of cytoplasm and cell wall material also take place in this zone. A little distance from the apex, root, and the shoot lies a zone of elongation, and it's only a few millimeters in that length. During the elongation, the cell volume increases up to 150-fold due to uptake of water. Plasticity of the cell wall increases and wall pressure is reduced. Synthesis of new cytoplasm and cell wall material proceed on. During maturation, the final size of given type of the cell is attained. The cells which develop into the pith, cortex, and the certain other tissues do not elongate further along the axis, while other cells like fibers and tracheids elongate lengthwise more than its other direction. When the cell enlargement ceases, the process of differentiation starts. During this growth phase, the walls of the cells becomes thicker. The walls of many kinds of the cells and tissues becomes pitted, thickening appear on the walls of the xylem vessels. Cells of the various tissues differ in the spatial dimensions, and many new structural features develop. Conditions of growth. The growth rate is influenced by the number of the factors, both external and internal. External factors are temperature, height, light, oxygen, carbon dioxide, etc., while the internal factors are the hormone, water, vitamins, etc. Thanks for watching. External factors. Temperature influences the rate of growth within a certain range, 0 to 35 centigrade. Normally, rate of growth increases with the rise of temperature and decreases with the decrease in temperature. For maximum growth, the optimum temperature is 25 to 30 centigrade, and it is least at the 5 to 10 centigrade. But at very high temperature, 30 to 35 to 40 centigrade, the rate of growth stops and the plant may die. Light play important role in the growth of the plants. By light, we means the fraction of light which is absorbed by the plants during the photosynthesis. Generally, light influences the growth in three ways: intensity, quantity, and duration. The increase in intensity of light increases the number of the cell division. The red light favors the elongation of cells, and blue light enhances the cell division but retards the cell enlargement. Similarly, ultraviolet rays also retard the cell elongation. During the duration of light also affects the growth of the vegetative and reproductive structures. It also plays a role in inducing or suppressing the flowering. The phenomena is termed as photoperiodism. Oxygen. For the successful growth, regular supply of oxygen necessary. Without oxygen, no metabolic activity is possible and no growth take place. A very high supply of oxygen, however, inhibits the growth. Carbon dioxide. We know carbon dioxide is essential for the carrying out normal process of photosynthesis, but a very high concentration of carbon dioxide retards the growth. Internal factors. Hormones. Plants hormones also influence the growth. Indolestic acid cause the elongation of the cells. Water. By absorbing the water, the cell elongate. The plant growth ceases in the absence of water. Nutrition. Nutrients supply energy to the growing plants. Within the increase in the nutrition, growth increases. Whenever decrease in nutrition causes the retardation of growth. Vitamins are organic compounds synthesized within the plant's bodies in the presence of light. If the plants are grown in dark, the vitamins deficiencies are induced and growth of plants ceases. Of all environmental factors controlling growth and development of the plants, temperature and light are the most important ones. Thanks for watching.